Golden State Capital, tapping in with the META chart. Yesterday, I thought we would get at least a little move up after sweeping previous day low, Monday's low. You see there, we swept it. But today was just another ugly day for META. As I've said in my previous videos, I am overall bearish on this ticker because of the charts setups on the weekly, monthly, and quarterly time frames. So today you can see there was a sweep of previous day high, and if you follow candle range theory, you can assume that you're going to go to the other end of the range. Not only did we get to previous day low, but flush straight through it. So pretty gnarly move there. 630 all the way to 607. Like it was, what's crazy is I did have puts yesterday. They just weren't moving right. I sold them, would have cashed out nice, but sticking to my rules, practicing proper risk management. So can't be mad at that. And let's just drill down to the 4 hour. So you can see that the buyers are really holding the line here at 608. We lose that, I think we're going to test previous week's low. If we do not bounce there, we are going sub 600 like I want. Just thought I'd get a higher move up, like I said, so I can get cheaper puts, but I will be playing level to level as I always do. Drilling down to the 1 hour. I didn't even get any of this move to the downside because I woke up a little late and I don't like to trade groggy. So I usually wait for 30 minutes after market open to enter a trade. Would have been perfect today. 9 a.m. candle range, sweep of the 8 a.m. candle, formation of the fair value gap. Boom. That's like clockwork right there. Would have been, let's see, like a almost $12 move in before 11 a.m. So could have been more patient earlier this week because I was like trying to do too much. But when you're patient and just wait for the setup, it pans out. So you can see here it's not looking too hot on basically any time frame. So I will be exercising caution as we get to this previous week level in case the buyers want to just eat this up at 601. I would like a close under there, a daily close. And like I told you, this 584 has my eye. Thought we would get up to 678 before we got there. Not looking great. The government did open tonight. They're opening government back up. They are not releasing data tomorrow for October. So really, it's just a wild week, and you have to be cautious and protect your capital, protect the portfolio. So this will be a top watch for me per usual. I will be playing level to level, and I also want to check out some other tickers. So gold is always one I watch. I got into a day trade with that. It was nice. I didn't have a far enough out con, so I didn't swing it. I did close it, but I will be looking for an entry for this tomorrow. Pretty clear pathways back to all-time highs. It is relative equal highs at the all-time highs because we got through 4029. Let's see, sorry. We have relative equal highs here. Okay, sorry. So the 403.30, and then we got 403.15. So we did not get that sweep. This is like basically destined to go hit that all-time high. So what I'll be doing is looking for any pullbacks on this hourly chart to give me an entry. I think maybe we get down to 384 would be even better. We get an entry right here at 383 before we take off to the upside. So I'll be watching that tomorrow. So those two. And then the last one I'll be watching is Amazon. So there was a tiny gap that got filled today on Amazon. Got a sweep of previous day high, met previous day low, flushed past that, got all the way down to this swing low range. One of the last lines of defense is this previous quarter high, 242. So it could bounce there. If it bounces there, I will be looking for just like some short calls, some day trading. But if we lose that and previous week low, I think we're going to be in business for some like swing puts. Then previous year high is another potential bounce zone. If we lose previous year high, this looks really good to me. Let's see. So we lost previous month high. And look where previous month low is, all the way at 211. Like, I think that candle range could play out, but we really need to have the overall market pull back. I feel like it's setting up. I don't know what day it's going to be. I know a lot of people think it's up only, but it's just something doesn't seem right. And just seems like a lot of folks if they're getting a lot of folks hyped up for buy the dip, it'd be a great opportunity for big money to just drop the market and get in position for a Santa rally. So let me know if you're watching META, GLD, or Amazon tomorrow, this week. Are you bullish or bearish? And what you think is going to happen now that the government is back open and they're not releasing data. All right, Golden State Capital out.